Raised bed gardens are great for growing your own vegetables. They offer a controlled environment where you can manage the soil quality, water levels, and even the types of plants you grow. This means you can create the perfect conditions for your vegetables to thrive. They look tidy and organized in your garden. Raised beds can be designed to fit any space, making them ideal for both large and small gardens. Their neat appearance can also enhance the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space. Plus, they make gardening easier on your back. The elevated height of raised beds means less bending and kneeling, which can be a huge relief for those with back or knee issues. This makes gardening more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. You won't have to bend over as far. This ergonomic benefit allows you to spend more time tending to your plants without the physical strain, making it a more sustainable hobby in the long run. Another great thing about raised beds is that you have full control over the soil. You can choose the best soil mix for your plants, ensuring they get the nutrients they need. This is especially beneficial if your garden soil is poor or contaminated. You can give your plants the best possible start. By selecting high-quality soil and compost, you can create an optimal growing environment that promotes healthy root development and vigorous plant growth. This means healthier vegetables for you and your family. With better soil and growing conditions, your plants are more likely to produce abundant, nutritious harvests that you can enjoy throughout the growing season. Raised beds also warm up faster in the spring. The elevated soil level allows for better drainage and quicker warming, which can extend your growing season. This means you can plant earlier and enjoy an even bigger harvest. Early planting can give you a head start on the growing season, allowing you to maximize your garden's productivity. If you have poor soil, raised beds are the perfect solution. They allow you to bypass the limitations of your native soil and create a fertile growing environment anywhere. Building a raised bed doesn't have to be expensive. Let's choose affordable materials that are easy to find. For the frame, we'll use untreated wood. Here's what you'll need. 4 8-foot-long untreated wooden planks, 2 by 6 inches. Wood screws, 3 inches long. A tape measure. A saw, if you need to cut the wood. A drill. That's it. You can find these materials at most home improvement stores. Now let's build the raised bed. Don't worry, it's easy. With a few simple steps, you'll have a sturdy and functional garden bed in no time. First, cut the planks in half. Make sure to measure accurately to ensure all pieces are of equal length. This will give you 8 pieces of wood, each 4 feet long. Organize them neatly to keep your workspace tidy. Now, take 4 of the cut planks and lay them on the ground to form a square. Ensure the corners meet perfectly. Each side of the square should be 4 feet long. Double-check the measurements to maintain accuracy. Use your drill to screw the corners of the frame together. This will secure the structure and keep it stable. Make sure the screws are long enough to go through both pieces of wood. This ensures a strong connection. Take the remaining 4 planks and screw them to the inside of the frame. This adds extra support to the structure. This reinforces the corners and makes your raised bed extra sturdy. A well-built frame will last for years. Your raised bed is ready for soil. Fill it with nutrient-rich soil and start planting your favorite vegetables and flowers. Section 4. The perfect soil recipe for your raised bed. The right soil is crucial for healthy vegetables. Here's a simple recipe. Garden soil. This provides a good base for your plants. Compost. Compost is like magic. It adds nutrients and helps the soil hold moisture. Peat moss. Peat moss makes the soil light and airy, which is great for root growth. Mix these ingredients together in equal parts. Fill your raised bed to the top with this wonderful soil mixture. Section 5. Caring for your raised bed garden. Your raised bed is ready for planting. This is an exciting moment because it marks the beginning of your gardening journey. A well-prepared bed is the foundation of a thriving garden. Choose your favorite vegetables and get started. Whether you prefer tomatoes, peppers, or leafy greens, selecting the right plants is crucial. Consider the climate and season to ensure your plants will thrive. Here are some tips for success. Water regularly. Consistent watering is key to healthy plants. Make sure to water in the morning or evening to reduce evaporation. Raised beds tend to dry out quicker than traditional gardens. This is because they are elevated and have better drainage. Keep an eye on the soil moisture levels. Water deeply whenever the soil feels dry to the touch. Add mulch. Deep watering encourages roots to grow deeper, making plants more resilient. Spread a layer of mulch like straw or wood chips around your plants. Mulch helps to retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds. This helps retain moisture and keeps weeds at bay. Fertilize regularly. Mulching is one of the best practices for maintaining a healthy garden. Give your plants an extra boost with a balanced fertilizer. Fertilizing provides essential nutrients that might not be present in the soil. Follow the instructions on the package. Over-fertilizing can harm your plants, so it's important to get the balance right. With a little care and attention, your raised bed garden will reward you with an abundance of delicious and healthy vegetables. Regular maintenance and observation are key to a successful garden, so gather your materials and start building today. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor. You'll be amazed at what you can grow. Happy gardening.